Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to take a look at the Divine Feather Messenger. It's a deck and book set by Alison, Denicola, and the artwork is by David Scheirer. This is published by US Game Systems and this retails for, it doesn't say. So it was under $20, I believe. So, and then I will link everywhere I know that you can purchase this down in the description box below. I'm not sponsored. Those aren't affiliate links. I'm not paid for this, just so you know. Sometimes I forget to say it in videos, but it's always down in the description box. So anyway, let's get into this. I was definitely drawn to this because of the feather situation here, what's going on. I absolutely adore it. So let's see, Divine Feather Messenger deck and book set. This inspirational deck brings the angelic insights and healing energy associated with finding feathers to those who seek divine guidance from the mystical realm of birds. Double-sided cards present feather art on one side with a watercolor image of the bird and an affirmational message on the reverse. The guidebook shares special stories about the 44 different birds and relates their natural symbolism to colors, seasons, elements, and special energies. Set includes 44 double-sided cards and an 80-page guidebook. So if you guys have ever went down the street or you guys were in the park or on a nature walk or whatever and you come upon a single feather hanging out in your path, that's supposed to be a symbol or a sign. And so that's what they took and ran with this oracle deck. So each feather is supposed to mean something different. So I was completely into this deck when I purchased it. I'm excited to see what it's all about. So it's a box. Ooh. Well, a little area right here did not get that popped off. That's funny. All right. So anyway, that was a little surprise. All right. Oh, they're really skinny. Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's see me struggle for a minute here because I don't have my scissors next to me, I don't think. Shoot. There we go. All right. They are skinnier than I thought they would be. I thought that they would be kind of like the legendary ladies where they'd be a little bit longer and thicker. No complaints so far though. All right. So there we have it. Let's take a look at this guidebook real fast. Always begin with the following in mind. Be grateful. Feathers are a unique and pure symbol of nature and our connection to the natural world. Gratitude is a beautiful way to honor yourself and all that your life offers. Be open. Allow the messengers to inform you through their color, light, and messages. And be intuitive. Be love. Let's see. So there is a spread here. Elements, seasons, colors. Ooh. And then we have the meanings of each card there. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll go through the cards. We'll see what they look like each side, and then we'll pick a card after we shuffle and read through the guidebook. So let's just do it this way because each back is going to be different. So we have the White Swan. The power of divine grace is within you. Cute. Okay, so we'll just do that. I love the watercolor art. I really do. It's absolutely gorgeous. This reminds me of Hedwig. There we go. I got to raise it up a little bit. Blackbird. Ooh. So, of course, one of my favorite birds ever is a peacock. So I'm excited that I see a peacock represented on the cover. So, yay. They really do feel good in the hand. The thickness isn't bad at all. It's not too thin. It's not too thick. I'm excited to see how it'll shuffle. Ooh, sorry. crow. The artwork is beautiful, I have to say. Oh, I love it. Finch, oh my goodness. They are alphabetical so far. Goose, oh. Look at this little, oh my goodness, he's so cute. Birds, love them. Hummingbirds will always have a special place in my heart. Beautiful. Oh. We have a hummingbird feeder. In fact, I need to refill it. It's always so sweet to see them coming around and feeding. Cute. Oh. So I'd be interested to know if any of you own this deck, because this has been out for a while. And if you use it, if you love it, if this has been accurate for you. Keep forgetting to turn it around for you, I'm sorry. I love ostrich feathers. Oh, look at this little owl. Oh, sorry. I love birds. I know not everybody loves birds, but there's the peacock. Beautiful. Oh. Raven. There is a lot of different birds here. I'm kind of excited about that. I didn't know what to expect going into this. It's not like I bird watch or anything. I don't know a ton about birds other than any of them are adorable and I love them. Vulture. That's interesting. Some of these feathers look very similar to me, but just because, you know, same color. But I'm sure once we get into it, they'll start looking a little bit different. And that's it. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to see how this shuffles. Oh my goodness, just fine. All right, that one flew out, so that's the one that we're gonna look at. And yeah, no complaints whatsoever here, love it. What I would suggest if you're doing this for like a daily pull or any kind of reading is not look directly at the card when you're shuffling, at the cards or at the deck when you're shuffling, and then that way you're getting an accurate reading, because sometimes, you know, there be some cheating out there. No, but point being is, you know, if you're shuffling and you're looking down at it, you can see what's coming. And if you know what the feathers are, then you know the bird. But that would just be my suggestion. Other than that, I mean, no complaints. It's a little difficult getting used to the fact that, you know, it's two sides. But in all honesty, unless it's a peacock feather, it's going to be a little bit hard to distinguish what goes to what message. You know what I mean? See how some of them look similar? So anyway, let's go ahead and read what this feather and bird means. So if you were to find this feather on the ground, let's read what the message would be. So it's Parrot. Let go of others' thoughts and opinions. It's time to embrace who you really are. Okay, so I thought that there was a index here. Let's see. thought I saw an index, but I might have been wrong. Oh, here we go. Okay, so Parrot is page 58. So that's fantastic. It's not numbered, but it does go in alphabetical order in the book, and you do get an index here to find your page. Okay, so what did I say, 58? Yeah, 58. All right, so Parrot. The parrot is brightly feathered and exotic, showing us its connection and importance to color and individuality. This message is also regarded as a bird of the sun, or messenger. I can read. This messenger is also regarded as a bird of the sun and symbolizes the power of light. Parrots are often admired for their rich plumage as well as their amazing ability to mimic what they hear. They can be trained to communicate through repetition. With this gift of being able to imitate humans, they are seen as a link between the bird kingdom and the human realm. We might see them as envoys, but are reminded that that they have been programmed to speak the thoughts and beliefs of others. So the message here says, the divine parrot messenger comes into your life to remind you to honor your unique voice. Very often we can get caught up in the judgments, opinions, and values assigned to us by others. These are false truths. Your individuality and personal expression are being encouraged to come into the light. This may feel challenging as it's safer and easier to hide in the shadows. Begin by paying attention to your own mind. Then, gently allow yourself to see all of your positive attributes, your personal colors and talents. It takes practice and courage to step out and embrace who you are. Parrot encourages you to do just that. Once you do, you will feel your truth easily coming to light. And then it gives you energies, season, element, color, and affirmation, which I'll read. I honor my individuality and unique expression in the world. How fantastic is this? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I love it. I love it. I think it's great. I think the little blurb about the specific bird is great. I feel like the message is great. I feel like you get a lot of information. The artwork is stunning. It's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely, absolutely love it. I'm going to say it a million times. Gorgeous. It shuffles really well. It's a great deck for small hands. It's a deck for beginners, intermediates, and beyond. It's just fantastic. I feel if you are a bird lover or love the thought of omens and finding feathers on the ground, this is a particularly awesome deck for you. I have no complaints. I was not expecting them to be this skinny and this size, but I kind of love that. It's unique, it's different, and it's just beautiful. I feel like it would be a great deck for a daily pull, for your daily focus, or if you're meditating, or before you do your yoga practice, or after, however you do. It's fantastic. So no complaints. I absolutely love it. And I would love to know what you guys think of it. Is it worth $21.99? Or no, I don't know actually, because I think I bought it for $16. I think it was $16. I honestly don't remember. Anyway, the point is, I think it's worth it. I think the price tag is great. It is 44 cards. Yes. Yeah. 44 cards, but I feel like the quality is there. It shuffles like a dream, and it's like a great thickness. So, what a perfect gift as well. Even if they are not into, divination, this would be a great, a gift for anybody who enjoys bird watching or loves I can speak. Goodness. It's a good housewarming gift. It's a great, just thinking of you gift, because it doesn't really, focus too much on, or doesn't, how do I want to put this? It's not in your face divination, I wouldn't say, but it is still, that's what it's about, right? So I think it would be a great gift. I think it's fantastic and beautiful, and I'm excited to start using it. So let me know what you think down in the comments section. Give me your opinions. I'd love to know what you think about this particular deck. And then don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell on your way out of the video. And if there's any of my videos that you enjoy and you think others would, don't hesitate to share. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. Share the video. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.